I hit
You
hard,
okay,
too.
sir?
No, not really.
And I hope you feel better.
I do too, man. I've knocked it good too.
All right, estate sale still worth going to? Hey, let's find out. What's the deal, Candy Crew? It's your girl, MsTaffy, just like the candy. And around here, we chase after new deals year round. As you guys know, if you're not new, I love going to Goodwill bins, yard sales, and practically anywhere I can make money. You know, buy something for low and sell it for high. In today's video, I decided to go to an estate sale. I haven't been to an estate sale in some time, and I was trying to figure out, is it still worth it? So I'm gonna take you guys with me there, and I'm gonna do a little dialogue, and you guys let me know down in the comments. Do you still go to estate sales? And question of the day, is it still worth it? Look who I got with me.
Candy Crew, what's going on?
My Dukes. We're going to some estate sales today, and I'm taking y'all with me, of course. Whenever I go into older homes, I love going into the men's bedroom to find vintage shoes or vintage t-shirts or jackets. You can't go wrong with those guys. Older TVs with VHS or DVDs attached also do well. I was thinking about purchasing this one. It was only $5, but it was kind of big and I wasn't in my van. In today's video, I went to this estate sale looking specifically for a VHS player or a TV with an attached VHS player. And look what I found. Question. How much would this TV be?
What is that? It doesn't have a price on it?
It says $45.
I'll do $5.
So you heard her right. I purchased the TV for $5, listed it, and it sold the following day for guess how much?
Thank you.
Yes, $100. Unfortunately, there were no shirts of any value, so I decided to leave those behind. Hats also do well for me, especially vintage hats of football teams and etc. This was the second day of the sale and everything seemed to be ran through. Unfortunately, these hats weren't worth much, so I left them behind as well. While I was about to leave the room, I noticed some VHS tapes at the bottom of the TV stand, and of course, y'all know how to look at those. Oh, this is, wow. This is so, like, this is like, I'm like, I always like to look in the bathrooms for vintage tampons or razors. Those always do well for me. The sell-through rate on this phone wasn't the best, so I decided to leave it behind. So then I spotted another TV, you guys. This one was more portable and it had an attached DVD player. So of course I had to see how much she wanted for it. It powered on, so that was a good sign.
Is it heavy?
Yep, I got it.
Let me go ask her how much it's the what?
So Sheba, hold on, take a picture of my phone.
So you want to carry it out there?
Thank you.
She said $5, honey.
Okay.
You sit it on the front porch.
Okay.
$5.
Can you hold this, please? Okay, let me.
I'm just gonna get somebody to set it. Can you do it on the porch?
Yeah.
Give me your phone.
I just don't want to sweat.
Yeah, no.
It's hard not to though.
Where is she? I can do it at $5.
Candy Crew. It's a new day and I'm about to sell this TV, and of course, I'm taking y'all with me. Shamo? So yes, for TVs like this size, I like to put them on offer up to avoid shipping and avoid eBay fees. And as you guys can see, they sell pretty fast. I also bought a generator on Amazon. You guys will see. I use that to show that the customer that it works. And it wasn't that much. The generator wasn't that much. It was an investment in my business. Uh-oh, they messaging me. Hold on. Okay. Parking sucks right here right now, so I gotta go a little further down. Let's see what kind of car they in. They only have one feedback. Do you guys like even deal with people with one feedback? At first I didn't, but now, oh my God, parking does suck today. I bought a generator to show you that it worked.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Oh, I pressed this. There you go. I think it's a DVD in there as well. I'm gonna just click play. Can you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Reefer or use of life.
You're welcome.
First.
All right. It's not that heavy. You got it.
No,
You got it?
Like,
All right. Have a good one.
Sure, you do the same.
All right.
Yes. Thank you. Appreciate you.
All right. Have a good one.
You have a good one.
$100 richer. Do y'all see how easy that was? Take good pictures, post an offer up, and get it sold. Let's get back into this video. We all heard the loud boom, so we all turned around to see what happened. You can hear my mother and see that everyone was concerned. Hold on. Let me ask him if he's okay. Let me ask him.
Well, you
okay,
too.
sir?
No, not really.
Sit down and take a break.
Oh, sorry. Excuse me. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm going to lock the 3 VHS tapes up and sell them for 30 bucks. Oh, it's a Bentley TV. Can you please hold this? Is it in here? Oh, it's brand on the box. Did you see any more VHS tapes? You know that's my baby. All right.
The lady in the house, she gave it to me for $5. I don't know.
Yes, I did. Penny.
Penny, it's my daughter.
Hi.
You want
Hello.
these?
This as well.
Okay, the ones that haven't been opened are $5.
So how much for this on the total?
Oh, you do this for $5?
All right.
Okay. Thank you. So that's 20,
20.
and then the 5, so 25. The TV in the front as well. So I ended up paying $25, but I didn't mind because I knew that TV alone I could give me $100. And the VHS, I wasn't sure if they were worth much, but I got them anyway. You know, I take those chances. But stay tuned, because guess what? I went right back in. Thank you.
Penny.
I'm gonna put this in the car and see if I can look around some more.
We gotta let Danny know we paid for it. Penny, we gotta let Danny know we paid for the TV.
Not a problem. Not a problem.
He's on the court.
Y'all have a good day. Hope
Tell
to
him
see you
Penny
tomorrow.
said. I mean, I can't see anything. It's yours. Tell him Penny said it's yours.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you bringing it to the car. Go look around one more time. Make sure I didn't miss nothing. You get to sit on top of the seat. And I hope you feel better.
I do too, man. I've knocked it good too. I did. I hit it pretty hard.
Really?
Yeah, I just been down like this, like I hit it real fast, and just bam.
Oh my God.
Oh, you knocked me out.
Right? You gotta be careful. Woo. We don't want that, a concussion or anything.
I'm 68 years old. How careful can I be?
Oh, you look good then. And just carried that TV like it was nothing.
It was nothing really, but
That's what we're doing on the phone. That's it.
But they have to work though.
Oh, what's that?
You're talking to me.
I was a single mother. I worked 7 days a week, 3 jobs.
I believe it.
I'm gonna just do one more quick walkthrough, see if I miss anything. More VHS tapes. Let's see what we find this time.
That's 25 today.
You said what's 25?
The days.
Okay, how much? Oh, it looks nice. How much for the 3 movies?
$3.
Okay, $3. Let me get.
Okay, the ones that haven't been opened are $5.
I was happy to pay the $3 for those movies because remember, guys, I just paid $5 each for the other movies. But wait, watch this.
It's $5.
Oh, you said it's 5? Okay.
Yeah, it's $5. I'm sorry. I didn't realize they were. I wasn't paying attention.
So I ended up paying her $5 total. But look at these comps. But honestly, in my personal opinion, estate sales, are they still worth going to? Yes. Listen, there's always money to be made. Like I said, once you learn your estate sale companies in your area, you know their prices, you build a rapport, know what items you're looking for. Have your phone in hand to search those comps. And make that money. That's what it's all about. Estate sales will always be worth it. As long as you know what you're looking for and you know your price margin and what you're trying to make. And the sold comps. Hey, make that money. It's worth it. But I ain't gonna lie. I am spoiled by the Goodwill bins. Pay by the pound. So guess what? I'm gonna do both though. And on this channel, you're gonna see me do both. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until the next video, keep hustling, staying positive. TTYL.